This $50 keyboard kit is one of the best I've heard so far. This is the Cidoo Nebula barebones kit, which retails for $50 without the switches or keycaps. For this build, I'm using the Telios V2 linear switches. The kit is a 65% VIA programmable wired and wireless board. You can easily update the firmware online, and even though the keyboard's plastic frame is very light, it still has an amazing sound without any modding required. I wanted to see how the board sounds with different keycaps, so here are some typing tests. These first keycaps are by Cerakey and are actually completely ceramic. And here's the board with some regular stock keycaps from another board. Let me know which one you guys think sounds better.